YouTube channel, and this particular video I'll be talking about a particular project called Interlink. I know a very good amount of people are actually be looking on how they'll be able to get their KYC invitation. Some people are still stuck in level 1, some are in level 2, and some are in level 3. Everything you need to know on how to make your human credit score to be as strong as possible, and also to be able to get KYC is what I'll be explaining in this particular video. Don't forget to like, share, click on the bell notification so you're going to find to upload any other new video. And if you want to start the particular project, you can still start because a lot of people are still waiting for KYC, and it is easy for you to attract others who are not actually serious. I'll be dropping my referral link in this one and also in the comment section of this particular video. And if you want to join my WhatsApp group, it is free of charge. I'll be dropping the link in this one and also in the comment section of this particular video. So I've said a lot and I've shared a lot of information about this particular project called Interlink. Everything will be available in this particular video. So let me quickly show you something now. If I come to this particular section called verify ITLG, some people have actually completed their KYC level 1, 2, 3. You could see I'm very active. My daily mining I'm at 17%. Group mining I'm at 100. Referrals rate is 90, and I have just 10 referrals. So if you want to start, you can still start. So let me show you my position currently where I am in mine. So let me tap on this particular refer. So you see, it will bring you to this particular. My KYC level 1 is completed. I'm just in this particular level 2. Then I'll go to level 3. So if I come down to a particular place to check my history here, so let me quickly show you something now. You could see it was Grok I used, and it was once I passed that particular. So a lot of people have been changing from one creator to the other. That is not actually the solution. That is one of the major things that you are actually doing wrong. And a lot of people are actually using VPN, change their location. You may be causing a lot of harm than good to your Interlink, because that might actually cause you ban. And if they are banned your account, you'll be losing a lot of things. Like what I shared in the previous video, that after you have increased your human credit score, you need to sync it here. You can watch that video. So you see this one now, I'm having 4 hours left. That will sync it, that will actually put me to actually attract a lot of people. So just sit down. I see how a particular important information to show you. If you come to your profile section here, let me show you some certain things. If you have not bind it, so if you come to that particular place and tap on referrals, after you tap on referrals, the next thing you need to do, for some people, you should have gotten 1,000 Interlink free token. If you haven't done that, then come to this human hash. It increase your mining. Then what you need to do is that I'll be giving you the human hash that you actually use for yours. You could see I've entered my here, so I'll be giving you on the space will be vacant here. So I'll be giving you the human hash rate, and that also will help you to increase your human credit score. So if you have done that, the next one you need to do is that after that you need to do the one on your wallet. Then what I have to do here is that I need to come to this particular wallet section. I come to the wallet section, I log in with my password, so I tap on unlocked. After that, so now in my wallet section here, if we come to the particular one here, you see that my wallet is actually connected. You see it says connected. So what I will need to do to also strengthen my human credit score, I come to the particular profile section here. You tap on profile section, and you can see that currently this is my human credit score for my mining, but my human credit score for my wallet is showing is 0. So these are some of the things which you need to do that will actually position you for you to also get KYC. So I'll be sharing this my particular wallet invitation in this one and also the comment section of this particular video, so you could do yours so that it will strengthen your human credit score. So let me put the one for this particular one. You see submit. So I will have to tap on submit. You see working. Let me let it load. You could see now it is now completed, and look at what is written here. You say your HCS foundation is now stronger. I am now having a more stronger UMA credit score. So any trading I do or any activities I actually take place, it will actually be working for my wallet section here also. So these are some of those things that you need to do for you to make your UMA credit score to be more or stronger. So if this was it helpful, please kindly like, share, click on bell notification so you get notified anytime I upload any other video. Thank you and bye bye for now.